wondered where everyone on the roly-poly planet comes from? Well then, welcome to Zoe, Billy, Polly, and Olie present the history of the roly-poly planet. Part 1. Rocketing around the universe. Ouch! Once a long time ago, on a planet far, far away, there was a disaster. No ice cream. One super brave bot decided to help his fellow bots. He was Captain Space Barnacle Boxy. Captain Space Barnacle Boxy. Billy, it's your turn. Captain Space Barnacle Boxy. I will find a new route. Psst, psst. Huh? Your rocket. What, Olie? Your rocket. Oh! Captain Space Barnacle Boxy.
I will find a new route to the ice cream planet. Blast off!
Back in the old days, rockets were small and clunky. They were always in danger of getting hit by asteroids. That's how the roly-poly planet was discovered, because Captain Space Barnacle Boxy was searching for ice cream.
I claim this planet in the name of... Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Oh!
Part 2. Electricity. Way long ago, all we bots were powered by springs and wind-up keys. No bot could go too far from home, because the springs would wind down, and the bot would run out of power really fast. All that was changed by... Dr. Cranky Cuckoo. That is itchy. See the Dr. Cranky Cookie lines. I, Dr. Cranky Cookie, will capture electricity from the clouds and use it to power bots. To power bots everywhere. Now all I need is a storm. Thanks, Polly.
Here come Mr. Stormy. Ha ha ha! I'm Stormy, and you can't catch my lightning.
Oh yeah?
Yeah! Ha ha ha! Zap!
Oh, zap!
Oh, take that!
Ha ha yourself. Now I have enough electricity to superpower bots all over the roly-poly planet.
Oh yeah? Well, take this.
Gee, that feels much better. Thanks. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ha ha ha! Wait, Zoe, I'm not finished my part yet.
Zoe! Forget it. Let's just keep going. You'll be the announcer guy now.
Part 3. The Trailblazers. Now the bots had all the power they needed. All the power they needed
to explore the roly-poly planet.
Yeah! They had all the power they needed to explore the roly-poly planet. They could keep going and going and going.
We're going to circle the whole planet and make sure it's safe for families to settle. Let's go. Zoe.
Okie dokie, Olie.
Look, Trailblazer Olie, a forest. We did it! Yay!
Yay! The roly-poly planet has been tamed! Part 4. The Age of Invention. As families settled the roly-poly planet, they built all kinds of neato, spiffy things. Whoa! Farmers used pogo planters to have fun while planting seeds in their fields.
Zoom! Zoom! People all over the roly-poly planet could send all kinds of stuff to each other with robo-mail rockets. They could send comic books or trading cards. They could even send letters to Clanky Claus. Zoom! Zoom!
Robo-doctors invented all kinds of super cool medicines to keep bots safe from the rusty mumps and the blue-botic itchies. This won't taste bad at all, Spot.
In the cities, city bots began putting up big skyscrapers. Right, Builder Zoe?
Righty, Polly.
The empirical block building was one of the biggest and most beautiful ever built.
Beautiful. Spot, no! Spot, no! Spot! And that's how the roly-poly planet was discovered and bravely settled.
And what's going to happen in the new age?
Anything's possible in the roly-poly world. Maybe we'll find a totally ice cream planet.
Maybe we'll even find other people.
Somewhere out there. Maybe we'll even find you. Blast off!